Muslim law, there can be a question on DOWAR. What do you mean by DOWAR or Meher? So, DOWAR in Hindu law or DOWAR. A dower is a provision found in the common law that entitles a widow to a portion of the husband's estate in the absence of a will. The provision of a dower allows the wife to provide for herself and any children born during the marriage. Now, search what is dower ownership or what is dower ownership. A dower is a provision found in the common law that entitles a widow. We just did it. Now, what is dower under Hindu law? Again, under the Hindu law also, it's a debt, and the husband is liable to pay the wife before the consummation of marriage. Dower is like a debt, and the husband is liable to pay it to the wife before the consummation. That is before the consummation of marriage. Until it is paid, the wife has the right to resist cohabitation with the husband. If the wife is in possession of husband's property, she has the right to retain it until the dower is paid. Very important other question is, what is the importance of dower? Of course, to enforce an obligation on husband as a mark of respect towards his wife, to place a check on the misuse of dower, give divorce by the husband to provide for her livelihood on the dissolution of her marriage so that she can lead a dignified life after the death of her husband's divorce. Now, meher under the Muslim law. What are the different types of dower? Before that we do, what are the different types of dower? To enforce an obligation, as I said earlier, it's a mark of respect. When we talk about the different types, what is the different types? What is the different types? So, meher, also known as meher in Islamic law. So, dower is also known as meher in Islamic law. It refers to the amount of money or property that a husband pays to his wife as a mark of respect and a support. Now, it serves as a financial provision for the wife's sustenance. Yes, you need to remember sustenance and welfare, ensuring that she is not left helpless in the event of the marriage dissolution. So, it's a sort of a guarantee that she will not have any issues after the dissolution. Now, dower is a debt. Now, a dower is considered a debt owed by the husband to the wife. Now, she can file a suit to claim it during his lifetime or from his estate after his death. Now, right to retain possession, that is, upon the husband's death, the wife can retain the possession of his property. She has it until the dower debt is settled. Very important point over here is, what is the limit of dower? There is no limit to the maximum amount of proper dower under the Sunni law, but under the Shia law, the proper dower should not exceed 500 dirhams. That is, dirhams was the amount of dower which was fixed in the marriage of Fatima, the Prophet's daughter. So, what are the remedies of dower? Yes, if the dower is not paid to the wife while she is alive, then after her death, her heirs, the legal heirs, can claim it. The period of limitation per the Limitation Act 1963 for a suit to recover prompt dower is 3 years from the date when the dower is demanded or refused. So these are the points which you need to remember on a question on dower or meher. It's a debt.